Let's talk about Aave. Aave is sitting at $212 right now. And I don't know if you call it Aave, you call it Aave, whatever, whatever you want to call it. You can call it that thing. I've not covered this project for quite some time. Let's see when was the last time I covered this thing. Meanwhile, you can let me know that are you invested in this and what was the reason of investing in it. Did you buy it because you are among those monkeys who follow Liberty Finance, or did you use your own brain and you thought this is a good project? Okay, we covered this thing in December 2024. At that time, we offered a support at 260, sitting at 212. Okay, so it has lost its support. And this was quite a bold move to offer a support like this. You would understand it because it had hit $400. It was sitting at close to 298, so you can say $300, and still offering a support at 260. It just shows that there is little faith in the upward direction, rather more faith in the downward direction. And this was just because of the fact that I was expecting retracement, because it was mentioned by Liberty Finance, and whatever is mentioned by Liberty Finance gets fucked up. If you look at ANA, Ethereum, anything they touch turns into total crap and shit. And that is exactly what we have seen with it. I'm not saying that they are the only ones to be blamed for it. Of course, you can blame some other people, the economy and everything else for it. But the thing is, if you want to make bad decisions, you should follow Liberty Finance, because everything they buy, they always make 50% and more loss. That's what they're really good at. But let's talk about today what the hell to expect from here. So we will go to the live chart, but even without going to the live chart, I'll share with you the support area. We have a support area at 190. It's 189, but I'll call it 190. That's easy to remember. Now, as long as this holds, you can expect it to go towards 260, our lost old child. That was the support that we lost, and it ended up dropping towards where I went all the way towards 170 or something. Now, as long as you have 190 holding, there is still some hope for Aave to perform well. If we look at the structure, in terms of structure, Aave is trying its best to get bullish. It did form a double bottom here, and this was the neckline. The neckline was 226. It couldn't stick to it, and it broke the neckline, which means this structure is invalid now because it didn't deliver on it. It was delivering here, but the delivery failed. And for us, if we look at it from the daily's perspective, we do see a neckline on this, and the neckline of this thing is 192. Again, we can use 190. So if we don't want Aave to deliver on this double top, which is massive, and it can push Aave down to $100 without a problem, then Aave should stay above 190, and it shouldn't dip below 190. It is extremely, extremely, extremely important for Aave to stick to this area. Other than that, I don't think there is anything else for me to add. If Aave is putting up a fight for 190, then there is still some hope for it. And you can see that on daily, none of the two candles have closed below it. The day you see Aave closing two daily candles, two bodies of the candles closing below 190, you should assume it is going to go down. Over here you can see one candle closed here, the second one pumped and closed above it. All candles are trying their best to stay above it, and this is more than a week. So until and unless we see Aave going below 190, close two daily candles below it, we wouldn't assume the downward journey. We would assume the upward journey towards 260. The moment you see it closes two daily candles below 190, that shows that it has started its journey towards $100, and that's it with Aave. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment And I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.